Hello, and welcome to another episode of Matter Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the measuring tool. One great thing about the Pro 2 cameras of Matterports is that it's actually capturing ground truth data. It's measuring all the measurements of a property as you scan it. So once you upload it to the cloud and you get that email notification that your scan is ready, you can load it up on their website, as I have here. I have our post-mitigation Cat 2 loss loaded here. And I'm going to come here to the edit function. And on the right side, it generates a menu, and I have measurements. And I'm going to come here, I'm going to add measurement. Now, historically, what I've seen a lot as we travel and train and see people engage with Matterport for the first time is that they'll load up this tool, this measuring tool. And you'll see how I have crosshairs here and a general circle as to where it's trying to start the measurement. And I'm going to start it right here on the left side. I'm click once, I'm going to drag it across to the right side, and you can kind of see it snaps to right there. It's a very manual measurement here, but as I get closer to the true opposite side straight line, it will snap to right there. It'll snap to, which can be very helpful as you're trying to determine an exact line. A to B, what is the measurement of this line? But there's another tool that I wanted to show you. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to add another tip. And let's say I wanted the ceiling height of this room, and I can obviously click here and try and snap to, but that's not necessarily the most productive way of doing it. If I hit add and I load up my cursor and I double click here, it's going to automatically snap to the opposite wall, adjacent wall that you're trying to measure. I'll give you another example right here. Let's say I wanted to measure from this wall to that window. I'm going to come back here to this spot. I'm going to load up a new measurement, and I'm going to double click. And as you can see here, it has given me an approximate measurement of 1610 from this wall to that window. So double clicking with the measuring tool will automatically snap from the origin point to the opposite wall to provide you an accurate measurement of that specific area. This is great for quickly determining ceiling heights in a Matterport scan and other various areas that you want to speed up your measuring process on the back end. So this has been another Matter Hack. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.